Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Jaypee Plus Power Meal Electric Lunchbox. There's an image of the electric lunchbox right over here. As you can see, it comes with two stainless steel bowls, as you can see right over here. Also, there's a power cord and power meal carry case. It's written right over here. We have some more information here. It says detachable food tray for convenience and washing, food grade material safe for heating, leak proof cavity covers. And there's another image of the Power Meal electric lunchbox right over here. And do we have any more information? No, that's more or less it. I will open this and show you what's inside. There you go. This is what the Jaypee Plus Power Meal electric lunchbox looks like. Okay, we also have a warranty card from Jaypee right over here. So it's an important document. Actually, I'll go a little closer. There you go. This is made out of hard ABS plastic. This has a shock-proof form factor to it. This is very solid. Actually, it's not going to break anytime soon. Also, it's written over here, do not immerse in water, unplug from power before cleaning. This runs on 50 watts and 230 volts, which is pretty standard for most households and almost every office. You open this by removing these flaps over here like so, and there you go. This is the power cable. It comes in this power management, this cable management tool right over here. This is a great addition. It will help you keep your wires, it'll make sure that your wires are not tangled and they keep this particular cable safe. And these are the different bowls of this particular tiffin box. They can be removed like so. There you go. This entire section comes out like this, and this is basically your heating plate. It's written over here, heater inside, do not immerse in water. So this is the heater is over here. This is the most important part. This is basically your main unit. There's also an indicator here that will glow when this is being when food is being when you're heating food. And on this side you have your power cord as well. Now let's quickly take a look at the bowls. So there are 3 bowls here. So this is the first bowl. This is a plastic bowl. This is attached to this particular section. And this is the lid that comes with it. And these two are your stainless steel bowls. Let me just take them out. There we go. These are stainless steel bowls. I'll show you one of them. Almost airproof. Sorry, this is almost airproof. The lids are basically like vacuum lids. When you push them in, they become very tight. So removing them, it takes a bit of an effort. But this is of course a stainless steel bowl. This is made out of food grade stainless steel material. And so how you use it is pretty simple. Once you have put food in this cavity over here, and also in these bowls, your cooked food of course, you put them in, you shut everything down, and then you carry it around in the tiffin box like so. And when you want to heat it, all you have to do is, sorry, let me just close this first. There you go. Now you can carry your tiffin box around with food in it. Now when you want to heat it, all you have to do is take this power cable and then connect this tiffin box to a power source. So this is what you find inside the box containing the Jaypee Plus Power Meal Electric Lunchbox. Thank you for watching.